Okay, here we go, driving the Porsche 718 Spyder RS. We've got the top down right now. It's got the WISAC package with the magnesium wheels with the RS bucket seats. Let's head on inside and see how it performs and how well it sounds, shall we? So, starting it up. Wow. All right, so here we go, backing up the RS. Let's get onto the road. Loud exhaust is turned on, PDK Sport. Real quickly, I do want to add, if you have a car like this Porsche Spyder RS or any vehicle and you want to really find out what it's like to drive on the racetrack, well, we do have our track day company, Speed Phenom Track Attack, and our next track day is coming up on June 8th at Willow Springs Raceway on Big Willow. So if you've always wanted to drive on an iconic racetrack, well, now you can. All you have to do is go to speedphenom.com. You'll find the link floating on the top of the screen right now, and you can sign up to drive your car in our beginner, intermediate, advanced, or supercar dedicated run groups. It's going to be so much fun, and if you're watching this video past June 8th, well, sign up for the next track day. Also, if you need any paint protection film, ceramic coating, or window tinting, make sure to reach out to Speed Phenom Film, our headquarters on the beach of Carlsbad, California, where we specialize in protecting cars such as this Porsche Spyder RS. You'll find our info down below. Give us a call for a free quote at 760-496-8607. Anyways, back to the video. This car sounds so good. It's quieting down now, so it can be civil, but also extra edgy. The PDK is very fast. Look at that. It's like instantaneous. Overall, the way this thing drives, it's got so much throttle response. I barely tap it. You can hear it. You've got induction noise that's really, really loud. The suspension's more stiff than the standard Spyder, and it just feels much more taken up a notch. It's a whole different level, a whole different class vehicle. The horsepower difference is very apparent. It feels like 100 horsepower difference, quite honestly. And gosh, that sound is just the best part. It honestly is the best part. Got front end lift. And that, my friends, is the Porsche Spyder RS. Wow, pretty incredible. This thing is a toy car. It feels like it's got all the elements that you want of a lightweight vehicle. It's got the track upgrades of an RS. It's got the soundtrack of a GT3 RS. It's just amazing, an absolutely amazing driving experience. That is visceral. That's the word I want to say. It's a visceral driving experience that just wants you to, why not the RPMs? It doesn't have 1,000 horsepower, therefore you can go full throttle actually and not do anything stupid, or you know, you can still follow the rules but have a lot of fun with 500 horsepower. And that is what makes it a really cool car. I don't think you need crazy horsepower. And that, my friends, is gonna wrap up my time driving. There we have it. The tires, the Cup 2s are pretty good, but I prefer the stickier compound version, the Cup 2Rs. You do have the magnesium wheels with the carbon ceramic brake discs. All the air on this car, it's really incredible seeing the enhanced front valence clip with those side like wickers with all those aero exits. It's pretty advanced, and these louvers are massive. You see all the rocks that are building up in there? So many rocks. Then this right here is the NACA ducts, and what's going on is that's picking up air, bringing it directly to the brake caliper to cool down the front brakes, because as you guys know, these types of brakes, you need to get them cooled down or you'll have brake fade on the racetrack, and that's definitely something that you do not want to happen. The Y-Side package, you know, this gives you the full carbon fiber exposed hood, and then you have more so the GT4 style front bumper, but a bigger front splitter that says Spyder RS right here. And then moving along to the side of the vehicle, you have the Spyder RS logos with upgraded carbon fiber mirrors. The cabin, as you saw in the video, it is actually comfortable, even though these are carbon backed racing bucket seats. I forgot what these are called, but they look good with the carbon finish. I did take down the top. It takes like 5 minutes to manually put up and down, so it's not too bad. And then to do that, you have to obviously unlock these, and that'll release the trunk. So if I close that, it's very mechanical. It's cool, isn't it? Then you have the bigger side intakes that are like fully carbon fiber. Like a traditional Cayman would have a side intake that's like that big where the plastic is, but this is enlarged to pick up more air, and it's got like pretty wide tires, 295s all the way around. Then look at these views all around it. So let us know your thoughts of the way the Spyder RS drives and how it compares from the videos you have seen back to back, where we tested out the GT3 RS and the GT4 RS from the 718 series. I think I do prefer this over the GT4 RS, which is that coupe, because dropping down the top, it gives you just so much more of that experience, so much more of that noise. It's so visceral, right? So I think even though this car costs $210,000 for being a Cayman with 500 horsepower, it is unmatched, I think, with the visceral driving experience. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button to help me out, and subscribe for much more great content. And hit the notification bell so you're up to date with all the new videos the second I post them. Look at the carbon fiber. The straps are cool. I'll see you in the next one.